Looks like I have a hole in the saw. Well, it's time to go mend it and repair it with creative redundancy, the one known as CR.
So, thread your needle and do not tie the needle end. Make a grid to join the edges together. Make perpendicular lines for this grid. Going over one line, then under the next one. Keep repeating until the grid is done. Adjust the grid as needed. Slowly pull both ends and draw it together. Just like that, this sock is mended and more ready to walk. As our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.